Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove the background from an image in PowerPoint. We start by inserting our image into PowerPoint. After that, click on the image and then enter the Picture Format top menu. Next, click on Remove Background and we will see that an automatic selection of the background to be removed is made. In case the selection is not perfect, we can use the mark areas to keep and remove tools to correct it. Once you have made the selection correctly, click on Keep Changes, and we will see how the background of our image is removed and we can finish our composition. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.